If you don't have time for long workouts, this 10-minute strength routine is going to be what you've been looking for. I'm Shaunneka, and this is day 2 in our 5-day series of Stronger in 10, whereby we go through strength building routines for 5 days of the week, so that by the end of the week, you've built more awareness, more energy, and you're just overall more content and confident in your body. We're going to get started today laying down on our belly. Palm on palm, bringing your feet as wide as the mat, just allowing your forehead to rest onto your palms, taking a few deep breaths. Gently opening the eyes. From here, bringing your palms by your side. So making sure that they're in line with your rib cage. You might feel or need to be lower than you think. Draw your shoulders up towards your ears and down the back. So from here, you're squeezing your elbows into the midline, squeezing your glutes, pointing your toes, and lifting your kneecaps. So your legs are nice and strong. From here, you're simply going to lift the chest and hover the palms. And as you hover, squeeze the elbows in together. We're going to hold it here for a few breaths. Everything is nice and taut. From here, you're going to lift your legs, lift the chest a little bit higher, squeeze the elbows into the midline. From here, palms face down, reach for your toes. And as you reach for your toes, feel your triceps turn on. Draw your shoulders. It's almost like someone's pulling your shoulders down and away from your ears. Taking your right hand, glue it by your side, reach your left arm forward. So your left arm is by your ear and your left thumb is pointing up. 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1, switch. Last switch here. And on the exhale, everything softens. Stack palm on palm again, and just let the forehead rest. From here, cactusing the left arm, bring the left temple to the floor, close the legs and roll right onto your left hip. Left ear comes to the floor. Straighten the legs, roll back onto the belly, other side. Straighten the legs, come back to the belly. Bring your palms back in front of you. Palm on palm, or you can interlace your fingers, but you're resting your forehead on the back of your hand. You're going to bring your feet as wide as the mat, point the toes, and you're going to lift the legs here, nice and strong. You're going to glue your hand to your forehead and lift. We're going to do this 5 times. Lift and lower. 4. We're going to hold it here on 1. Open the arms wide like you're giving somebody a hug, and see if you can lift a little bit higher. Open the arms, open, open, open. And gently lower, bringing your hands by your side. Tuck your toes under, pick your hips up, send your hips up and back, finding a child's pose. So send your hips back towards your heels, reaching your arms out forward, bend at the elbows, bring your hands onto the nape of your neck. Releasing the hands from behind the head. Plant the palms out in front of you. We're going to do some cobra pull-throughs. So lifting the gaze, pushing into your palms. You're going to energetically pull your wrists back. Bring your forearms to the floor. Your chest is going to kiss the floor, and you're going to come up into a low cobra or upward facing dog. Bend the knees, big toes touch, send your hips back towards your heels. We'll do this maybe about 3 more times. Pull through. We'll do 1 more. This time we'll find an upward facing dog. So your legs are hovering off the floor. Energetically pull your wrists back, squeeze the shoulder blades. 3. And gently lower all the way to the floor. Last piece of work here, spider your fingertips off the mat. Maybe keep your thumb on the mat. Elbows are pointing towards the ceiling. You're going to push into your palms. Pick up the chest. Inhale. And then on the exhale, energetically pull your fingers back towards you. Shoot your chest a little bit closer to the top of the mat. And come down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Last one. This might feel good on the tummy as well. Nice stretch for the front body. And exhale to lower. Bring your arms out in front of you, palms face up. Forehead to the floor. And thinking about breathing into the back body, into the low back. Let's take a nice big inhale here. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Bring your hands by your side, push yourself up. Sitting back onto your heels. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears. And down the back. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this invigorating upper body focus morning strength practice, and let me know how you feel in the morning after activating all of the upper back and strengthening it at the same time. So when you strengthen your back, flexibility becomes so much more easier. It is so important to be strong. I hope you are reaping the benefits of these practices, and I will see you back here for day 3 as we ramp it up just a little bit more.